In the muslin quarter, bright lights all around. Chinese signs were glowing, every color in the town. Chengdu traditional, your cleaning shining overhead. Richard sat beside me, curiosity instead. Wicker chairs and footstools lined the walls in neat array. Vendors called for customers throughout the busy day. Two professionals approached us with a smile and knowing grin. A shoulder cloth, a bag of tools, and then the work began. Oh, Xi'an, Xi'an, what an unexpected day. A handful of tiny instruments would scrape the world away. Digging, wiping, cleaning, every twist and every turn. Then came the singing, tuning forks, and lessons left to learn. Starting in the outer ear, gentle at the start. Careful little movements done with practice, start to start. Wipe and scrape and wipe again, a rhythm all their own. Then a phrase we'd never heard became the day's theme song. Boo-how, she softly whispered as she peered into the light. Richard grinned and echoed back, repeating it just right. She'd pause a moment, look again, then suddenly declare, oh my God, with great surprise at what she'd discovered there. Richard laughed and answered, boo-how, once again. The whole routine becoming our favorite joke and Xi'an then. Boo-how from the ear cleaner, boo-how from Richard to a market-side duet performed without a single clue. Then tuning forks were ringing, their vibrations floating free. One of those travel moments that becomes a family memory. Oh, Xi'an, Xi'an, what an unexpected day. A handful of tiny instruments would scrape the world away. Digging, wiping, cleaning, every twist and every turn. Then came the singing, tuning forks, and lessons left to learn. The tuning forks were humming, vibrations through the air. A strange and ancient feeling unlike anything elsewhere. Translation devices appeared, a sales pitch soon began. Herbal remedies were offered, but we politely changed the plan. Oh, Xi'an, Xi'an, we'll remember where we sat. The wicker chairs, the market noise, and all the things like that. 2 years later, feeling lighter, laughing all the while. One more unexpected memory added to the China file. From the terracotta warriors to the market's cheerful din, some adventures start with history, and some begin with